New HP black cartridge not printing. Fix this first in 2026. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to show you how I helped someone fix a frustrating problem. You just installed a brand new black cartridge and your HP printer still won't print black. Don't throw it away yet. Don't buy another onion in the next 3 minutes. I'll show you the exact 4-step fix that solves this problem 90% of the time, including the one small thing most people completely miss. Let's get straight into it. The customer called me with a very specific complaint. I just installed a brand new black cartridge, but my documents are printing with no black ink at all. Only cool. My first question was simple, and this question alone solves the problem for about 30% of people who contact me. Did you fully remove the orange pull tab from the top of the cartridge? That small orange tab covers a vent hole. If it stays on, air cannot enter the cartridge, and ink cannot flow out. Simple as that. Remove the black cartridge from your printer. Look at the top of the cartridge. You're checking for 2 things. Number 1. Is the orange pull tab completely removed? Sometimes a small piece tears off and stays behind. Pull it clean. Number 2. Is the small vent hole on top completely clear? No adhesive residue. No torn plastic blocking it. If the vent is blocked even slightly, no ink flows. If it's clear, we move to the next step. This next step is the one most people skip, and it's often the reason the cartridge appears dead when it is not. Take a damp lint-free cloth. Press the nozzle area at the bottom of the cartridge firmly against the cloth for about 10 seconds. Lift it and check the cloth. A healthy cartridge will leave a solid black mark. If the mark is faint, press again. In this case, after 2 presses, the ink began flowing normally. That told us the cartridge was fine. It just needed to be primed, by the way. If this is already helping you, hit subscribe now. I post printer fixes every week. Even a brand new cartridge can have dirty contacts. This happens during shipping and packaging. Find the small copper-colored strips on the back of the cartridge. These are the electrical contacts that communicate with the printer. Urgently wipe them with a dry lint-free cloth and wipe the contact pins inside the printer carriage where the cartridge sits. If the printer cannot read the cartridge correctly, it may not activate it at all, even if the ink flow is perfect. Important: do not use the power button for this reset. That is a soft reset and it won't work. While the printer is powered on, unplug the power cord directly from the back of the printer. Wait a full 60 seconds. Don't rush this step. This completely clears any temporary errors in the printer's memory and forces a fresh ink priming routine on startup. After 60 seconds, plug the power cord back in directly to the printer, not through a power strip. Let the printer fully initialize before touching anything. The printer finished starting. UPW printed a test spaghetti this time. Perfect. Bold solid black text and clean from top to bottom. The cartridge was not defective. The printer was not broken. It was a combination of 3 things: an airflow issue, poor electrical contact, and an unprimed ink system. 4 simple steps fixed all 3. The customer was ready to spend money on a new printer. They didn't have to. Quick recap of the 4 steps. Step 1. Remove the orange pull tab completely and clear the vent hole. Step 2. Manual ink prime using a damp cloth on the nozzle area. Step 3. Clean the copper contacts on both the cartridge and inside the printer carriage. Step for hard reset. Unplug from the back while powered on. Wait 60 seconds. Plug back in directly. If this fixed your printer, drop a comment below and let me know which step solved it. I read every single comment. And if your HP printer is connected but showing offline, I have a full fix for that too. It's the next video on your screen right now. Subscribe so you never get stuck with a printer problem again. See you in the next one.